Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place as Ishal speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the read. And this is going to be timeless, may or may not resonate with you at the same time. Someone will resonate with you. This is something new coming right away, okay? Someone is going to resonate with you, and some of you are restarting. I mean, on a refreshed note, something that you've already done. Maybe the talk is going to be on a refreshed page, something that you have already done, taken care of, or you took care of, or you've talked with, okay, certain someone, or the work, anything that is connected with your life, you're restarting it because you took either a break, so to just refresh yourself, recuperate yourself, heal yourself, something you are starting again. Okay, so that's a restart, I heard. Now, if you wish to support the channel, I highly appreciate it. You may do so via PayPal. Then my GPay ID is there underneath in the description, and then I have UPI ID. Thank you for actually from India even support. Thank you, and from abroad, of course. What else? I'm on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells running. Um, okay, the word I'm hearing right away is false. 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 One, this could be false information that you have received, okay, regarding something, or someone told you something, or someone is false. Okay, I don't know for whom this is, but this is very specific. They're also giving me the digit 13. Someone you thought like a good start and a friendship, or someone you thought, okay, we can confide in each other and we are going to have number 4, stability. But before it turns out that, or it whatever could have been, should have been, it turned out to be number 13, which is a death card from tarot. So it something ended. Could be Scorpio. Have I said this is going to be for Aquarius? I'm trying this new different angle and everything because I just love doing it, so that we can explore more and we don't get bored as well. Okay. Some of you are traveling, or some of you are going to travel soon in 1 week. Okay, how it came from where? This came from where? Out of the blue. There is some kind of communication is going to be happening, coming through. You're going to have some important communication with certain person, or regarding certain situation, of course, person involved, and you are just going to head to meet certain person here. Okay. This is also coming as, I'm hearing the word flash, FLASH, could be memory connected flash of something urgent. URGENT, urgent. You're going to have this urgent meeting, urgent call, urgent travel, urgent something that's going to happen ASAP, or on the spot. Something is going to be. Yes. Okay, and the main message that I heard right before even I was settling for the reading for Aquarius, it came as in like, someone over here is becoming lovers. LOVERS. Someone, okay? Of course, someone, but it's like going to be very on a happy note. Someone is becoming lovers and they weren't expecting that. Now, this may not be for all, but for a few. Look closely. This is going to be for you, Aquarius. Look closely, or hear closely before you step into something important. This could be new work, new place, relocation, something that is going to be very important for you. 0404 recording time. Yes. They're also giving me the words a new place. So new place could be a new job or new location, of course. Maybe you're shifting or plans are there. This is a workplace. Someone is saying, asking you to come meet in the office, and they're going to say, you need to leave. This is going to be very important meeting or presentation. I don't know why am I hearing that. Okay, this is going to be very important presentation, and you are the best choice, and you need to be there. So ASAP. You need to ASAP something. Okay. Okay. Take a deep breath. You are about to go on a quest. Okay. You're about to go on a quest, darling. Okay, okay. You might be dealing, or you are going to deal with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. They're giving me this masculine energy here, male vibe, he energy. Definitely 101%. Maybe some in your chart, you are Aquarius, but still your male energy listening to me, and somewhere in your chart it falls. But I always go with the flow of messages. However, I give the elements and the signs and whatever and whichever sign is coming. Um, there's this person I see, they want to be your lover, if yet not. This could be, and I look, if we connect that, when I started the reading, I said that what I heard was refreshed. So this could, maybe you're not interested, but the person over here, they want to push the refresh button. So to start things again with you, because I am getting this energy of King of Pentacles. Okay. And this is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, he, him energy. If it, if it's going to come out, I won't be surprised on our platter, because there's one card, I don't know which card is that, but still I will feel like someone wanting to reconnect with you for some cases. Okay, 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 so let's see what. Okay, so definitely uh, beautiful start, the sun. Okay, what I heard right away is something is original. Original idea, original work formation, original situation. Um, it's giving me the vibe of like something like this. Maybe there's going to be beach around. If that's not the thing, anything connected with water stream could be around. Like they're giving me this. It's also emotional flow. A sun, Leo could be. Release, definitely. New quest, definitely. We're going to see what is starting. Okay, for some of you, it's a new love story. Why? Because I said so that someone wanting to be your lover. Okay, so it's like two of your interests, like mutual interest. I can see for some cases. I can literally see. Okay, two energies sitting, talking about emotions, and it's not even over a call. It's like travel. Someone is going to travel to you. Okay. And we have to, okay, and we have to look in this particular deck, number 13. I talked about death and I talked about 13 number, and then also you have infinity and we have rebirth. So beautiful starts happening, but we need to know what this card of sun is for. What this card is for. Yes, beautiful sun. Some of you love sun more than moon. Is that so? I don't know. I mean, like I love nights like moon shine and everything. I do love sun. I love days. Sometimes I love days like more than nights. You know, does this ever happen to you? Like with you, that some days you like moon more, like nights more, but some days you like that night shouldn't be there and only sun, the day. Did I talk about King of Pentacles? You have at the bottom King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. This is going to be ultimate, kind of like even work opportunity and love opportunity. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's interesting because today something is started. I feel like your dear wish is coming true. I'm just going to come on that message because there is some very, very strong connecting energy with these two cards of the sun and this nine of cups. Okay, I'm just going to talk about this. But we have a sun card and I have moon here. So, interesting. So you have nine of cups. Your some dear wish is coming true. For sure. There's some dedication. Oh my god, your energy is pulling as if like you feel more energized during day, and it's something has to do with sun more. Okay, I don't know how it's going to make sense, but for some cases it's your dear wish coming true. And look at this, you're going to um, absorb that energy, and you impart or project that energy when your dreams gonna come true, when your wishes gonna come true, when your emotions, you're imparting that light. And also I wanted to say why the connection is, because when you see number 19, it's 919, and this is something 9 of cups, so somehow it's connected with digit 9. So could be 9 is going to be important for you. For some of you, this 9 days, upcoming 9 days, okay. Ugh. Someone is coming, someone is coming. I mean, yes, King of Pentacles, but this is also King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. um your energy is like you're so much protecting your cup. I do feel someone is bringing 9 cups, and all they'll ask you is for 1 cup. Like, just give me your 1 cup, and you're like, no, please trust me. No, like Aquariuses are going to be like that, because why? You have gone through so much. It's just about you. You have gone through so much that you are now imparting that sunlight, and no one can handle that scorchy light that you project, baby. There's this point. No one can look at sun like direct for long, not even for seconds. And you shouldn't be looking at that direct, okay? Right, from sunglasses, of course. Like from shades and all that, you can. But no, no one can. But at moon, yeah. You might be the moon for them. But this energy is like, you are the sun and the moon, okay? Does that make sense? I hope, because look, your energies right now is so strong. I don't know what you have done with yourself, which is a good thing. You have done something to yourself, okay? With yourself, with your life. But whatever you are projecting is sun, is a sunshine. It's so strong that no one can look at your aura. Can I say that, like, you are sun? Okay, even if you're sitting in dark, people are going to be, even if you are walking at night, you feel like an like sun walking, like let's just say an orb, um, with so much of sparkle around. Okay, so you are like that kind of energy. But something is happening here. Your dear wish is coming true. Now, what that is actually? Oh yeah. Yes. You're also breaking free from some communication, some expectation, or some messages you were thinking about prior. No, you're not thinking about that. I did one of the readings where people connected with me, of course, via that reading, like No More Hurt. If you haven't heard that reading and you wish to, you may, because titles are very clear and you can connect with that. I kind of get this, like, no one can now manipulate you. I do feel that. No one can put you in a certain situation. Like, you come to know about that because of your intuition. Like, it's so high. It's like the energy is so high. It's just like sunshine that you impart. Okay? So you're like, when you walk, when you are doing whatever you're doing, people are like, your light makes them crazy. Can we say like you have a more spiritual protection these days? Like, even if people try to harm you, like they just say, like, someone who's not right for you, they cannot stay for long around you. They cannot stay in touch with you. And you might be thinking at times, like, why someone cannot talk to me for long, or why they go away? It's because you have spiritual protection. That is the truth. We may feel at times that why people are not staying in our life, it is because we know. Okay, like, you're not even the star, your whole sun. A particular Piscean is also looking at your profile. If you have ever dealt with or you're dealing with, they're looking at your profile. Well, I'm hearing for some boring, however you want to say, boring days are gone. They're leaving. Something is going to get exciting. You're going to get excited, and exciting phase is coming. Queen of Cups with Six of Wands. What I got right away is that someone is falling for you more and more and more. Someone is falling for you harder in the coming time, and they want to lose to you. Like, they don't want to conquer you, they don't want to dominate you, they don't want to manipulate you, they don't want to go into any of that. What they want to do is they just want to fall for you. They've already fallen for you, but they want to fall for you. And they just, look, this is Queen of Cups with Six of Wands energy. They are into, what? They are into this zone of like, what to do? Emotional move that you're not making. You're not, because what you are, your son. Whoever is looking at you, they can't look at you straight. Emotionally, they are getting drawn to you more and more, and they don't want to win. All they want is to lose. You understand? This person's energy is like what they want, what kind of wish is coming true. They've already fallen for you, okay? Whoever this person is, but what they want to do is like they don't want to lose you, first of all, and they don't want to win against you. You get it? So, yes. Yes, that is the message. Someone is going through scars on heart. I do feel this person it's totally opposite. Something is happening reverse with this person. And also, your energy in this phase right now, Karis, is like you're not falling for anyone because you don't get impressed these days anymore. You're like, whatever. Yes, sometimes people think like the way I'm saying whatever is so rude, right? But it is where you are right now. You've become this not to hurt anyone. Protect yourself. You're protecting yourself, okay? Now, like this. But what is? Okay. Oh. What? They cannot take it that they are going unnoticed. Like, if that's a sentence even, unnoticed? And they're like, what? Look at me. And you're like, I'm done. I don't have, like, you are like this, Four of Cups. You're not even waiting for any cup. It's there. It is coming. Look at this card close. It's coming from out of the blue, but you're least interested. I don't know what you're going to do, because what I said that lover is becoming, like, at least they are interested. What about you? So you have King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, whoever, whether you know or you're going to just know. But this person is coming with a roar. What is coming in life, even if like it goes unnoticed or something that you are not going to look at first because you don't know. But whoever is coming is going to be your wish coming true, kind of, even if you don't know. Like, universe is going to send someone in your life right from the desert, like, I'm not an illusion, I'm not mirage. And when you least have any like expectations and everything, it's coming, darling. It's coming. You hardly noticed and they went unnoticed. What? They can't take it like they want to. Look, someone, oh my God, you need to know this. We talk about that. You have lovers, the lovers, Gemini could be. The lovers, I said so. Something is coming It is like becoming. 10 of Cups with a happy, good news, togetherness, and all. Someone is going to be so damn interested in your Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but message is coming, okay? See what comes through, because there are going to be love messages, emotional, arrival of someone wanting to connect with you more and more, okay? Let's see what comes, because there are messages coming and more emotional messages coming, trying to connect with you, and the confession is coming as well for some. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.